Welcome to Pocket Women and Lockpicking and Locksport today. We have a challenge. The challenge is to remove all of these bike locks. Some of them are old, some of them are very crusty, some of them have probably been here 40 plus years, who knows. We are at the QEH, the Queen Elizabeth Hospital, here in Adelaide, South Australia. Now we won't be picking things like that are all crusty. Look at that. So we are going to be cutting. We're going to cut these suckers off, bring them home whole, and then we'll clean them up. Oh, that's an old disc container. And then we'll check out. Got an old lock here to store to. What the security's like on them. Look, there's one already been done. How's that? But I don't want to be cutting the cables because I want to be showing you how strong or not these cables are. We've even got some little locks, some cable locks, combo locks. Look how old that is. One of the originals. Got this beefy dude. We'll score her. So, of course, as with anything in Locksport, we have permission to be here and to take the locks. We're on site with McMahon Services. We have a hot works approval. All the forms are signed in, and we are going to get the grinder out and get these locks home. That'll be part 2. So if you're interested in seeing the locks I've scored from the hospital bike rack, tune in for part 2. Stay legal. Temptation is everywhere.